Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to register and verify Bitget account. Now, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Now, go to your Play Store or App Store, then use the search icon and search for Bitget. Here is it. So now, install the Bitget app. I've already done that. So I will now tap on Open. Okay, saying welcome to Bitget, trade on Bitget, trace matter. So let's tap continue. So I'm being asked to allow notifications. So I'll tap allow. So this one is an advert. So I'll tap on this X to close it. So now to register an account, I have to tap on this menu icon here. The menu icon. So it's saying welcome. So this one is login and this one is sign up. So I have to sign up now. So now I'll enter my email and then password. So the password should be 32 characters long, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number, at least one symbol. So that is for the password. So now let me enter my email and password and then we continue. So now I have entered my email and password and I've gone through their user agreement and policy. So I'll check this. So I don't have any referral code for now, but if you want to use mine, I'll drop it in the video description. So now I'll create an account. I have to bypass this verification. Say select in this order. There's the order right there. This is the order they are talking about. So I should select them the way they are in this order above. So this one is going first, followed by this one, and then this one. So that is it. I'll tap OK. Is it 59 seconds? So now an email has been sent to my Gmail. So I have to get the code and then we continue. I've gotten the code from my email and the code is 250 230. So now I'm being asked to enable fingerprint. So I will choose later. My account is ready, but still unverified. As you can see, the account is not verified. So now let's go through the verification process. So if you can see here, there's an arrow here. There's a little arrow pointing to the right here. Tap on this arrow and we are going to access our account settings. So here is my UID and this one is my display name. I think I can change it later, and this one is my username. And then here comes the identity verification, which is still saying unverified. So now I'll have to tap on it. So as you can see, saying level 1 identity verification. These are the functions you will get when you verify the level 1. If I verify my account now, I'll be able to use these features. Verification requirement requires government issued document, face recognition verification, estimated review time 60 minutes. So this will take 60 minutes and my account will be verified. So now let's proceed. So I'll tap on verify and then I will choose only this time. Now I'll have to choose my country. So, and the issuing country, and then I'll select the ID type. So my country is Nigeria, which is correct, and I'll select the issuing country, which is also Nigeria. So let me use the search, Nigeria. So here is it. So now I'll have to choose the ID type that I want to submit. So I'll tap on this, and here is the option. I'm being asked to submit NIN or BVN/NIN. So I'll choose NIN. So I'll tap continue. So now I'm being asked to enter my NIN. So now I have entered my NIN. So I'll tap on continue. So I'm being asked to allow Bitget to take pictures. So I'll choose only this time. So now this is the facial verification. So I'll have to place my face and I'll move it according to the instruction that appears here. So follow these instructions and then you will bypass this facial verification. So let me do that and then we continue. I have captured my face and it's processing, as you can see. So it's done. Identity verification under review. So I'll now tap on continue. So now my level 1 identity verification is under review. So I'll have to wait for their response via email, or I'll log back in to check my account after some time. So after waiting for some time, I signed into my Bitget account. I checked the notification tab and I saw a message saying, "Dear Bitgetter, you have successfully passed level 1 identity verification." So now let me go back and check my profile. I'll tap on the menu icon and then, as you can see, my account is now showing verified. And that is how to register and verify Bitget exchange account. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'm here to help, and I will see you in the next one.